Hey guys, Mitch here. Today I'll be showing you how to install Siri on your iOS 5.1.1 jailbroken device. Now first off, we'll be needing a Siri GUI port. Now there are many available from independent developers for free. Some of these methods do include Acid, Spite, or Skyra1n, and you can get them by adding the repos, which I will have in the description below. Now for this video tutorial, we will be using the Acid Siri GUI port. First off, make sure your device is running iOS 5.1.1. You can do this by going to General, and in the settings selection, you can see that my device is on 5.1.1. Next, head over to Cydia, and in the sources selection, we'll be adding a repo. You can just by hitting Edit, Add, and then in the Enter Cydia URL, you want to enter in that repo. That will be in the description below. You can just easily type it in or copy and paste. And then you can go ahead and add the source, and the URL will be verified and the sources will be updated. Then you can go ahead and return to Cydia, and then in the actual repo you can go ahead and select it, and at the bottom you want to install the Acid Siri. If you're running a iPhone 4, 3GS, iPod Touch 4th Gen, you want to select that one, or if you're running an iPad, you want to select the top option there, and then you can go ahead and install in the top right, and this will run down the packager right here. This may take a while because it will be installing Siri, which is a big file on your device here. Once done, you can go ahead and reboot your device. This is safe. Once your device has rebooted, you can go ahead and slide to unlock your device here. And then if we open up our settings here, under the General, you can see that we now have a new Siri selection. Make sure that toggle is on. And if we go back to our settings at the bottom, you will have the Acid Siri, and the proxy host URL will be there. This one did not work for me, so we'll be going to Cydia to add a free Siri Server proxy host. So once again, open up your Cydia then, and go to Sources, Edit, Add. Here we'll be adding the WordJelly.com/repo, and then you can easily go ahead and add that source. It will verify the URL, and it'll run down the packages. Once completed, you can go ahead and return to Cydia, and then if you open up that repo, the WordJelly Incorporated, you will have the control panel for 5.1.1 or 5.0.1. You can go ahead and select that, and in the top right hand corner you can go ahead and install this packager. It will run down, and then you can go ahead and restart your springboard here. Once your device has resprung, you can go ahead and slide to unlock, and then open up your settings again, and at the bottom you will have the WordJelly, and if you go ahead and open that up, we want to install the certificates. Now this will open up a Safari browser page here, and then it will redirect into us having the WordJelly Siri Server. You can go to install that, install again, and it will become trusted. Then if we go back into our settings here, and we open up the Acid Siri here, you can now see that the proxy host has changed to the Siri.WordJelly, and we're now able to test out Siri on our iOS 5.1.1 device here. What time is it?
It is 10:15 a.m.
So as you can see, the Siri server does work, and it also incorporates the applications on our device, including the time, maps, weather. So let's go ahead and ask it another question here about the weather. What is the weather like in New York City?
This is the forecast for New York, United States.
So the weather apps does work on our iOS 5.1.1 jailbroken device running Siri. If you guys do like these videos, don't forget to give a like up, leave any comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to stay updated.